Let's learn numbers 1 to 5 in Chinese. Oh, he's so hungry. Let's go find some fruits. A pear. 1. In Chinese we say
一
using the first tone, let's say it together.
一 一
Apples. 2. In Chinese we say
二
using the fourth tone, let's say it together.
二 二
Oranges. 3. In Chinese we say
三
using the first tone, let's say it together.
三三
Peaches. 4. In Chinese we say
四
using the fourth tone, let's say it together.
四四
Strawberries. 5. In Chinese we say
五
using the third tone, let's say it together.
五五一二三四五一
1.
一二
2.
二三
3.
三四
4.
四五
5.
五一二三四五
Let's play a quick game to see if you can remember lesson 2.
一三四二五三四一五二五三二二三
Great job! Now you've mastered numbers 1 to 5 in Chinese. Comment down below if you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified of upcoming lessons. See you next time for another fun way of learning Chinese.